I'm gonna unlock for you checkpoint 3. Let's do this. Hopefully I don't make any mistakes. Getting a little higher, but I have been in China for, what is that, like 11 years now? Qing. It's the bottom one. I'm just gonna keep going super fast. My name is Kuizhou Yi, bottom right. And I speak good Chinese. Zuo, like yesterday. Gay is to give, top right. If you need a cheat code, well, we've all had to cheat our way through video games back in the day, right? So hopefully this one can help you cheat your way, well, get higher in Duolingo so that you can be exposed to some more language. Because sometimes it's just hard to pass that level, right? Fun, pass that one. I'm talking less because I just want to fly through here. Tang means like sugar. Ho means later. Xiang, oh, that's like a xiang. Is it like a box? First tone, one, that's like 10,000. Chinese people count really differently. I made a video about how to count in big numbers in Chinese. It's right up there on the YouTube card. Hui, like to return. Funny, that top right character is country. Hui guo means to like go home. Chinese people always ask you that question. Hui guo means Chinese. What kind of vegetables do you like? What vegetables do you like? Slow down, please. Please, I need that, please.
请慢一点儿，
请慢一点. That's where 请慢一点 is how it should be said.
我的女儿明年会住在英国。
My daughter will live in the UK next year. Bling bling. 猫在
椅子上。你喜欢哪个男明星？
哪个男星 Male celebrity do you like? He speaks very fast, so I do not understand.
他说的很快，所以我不明白。
Got it right. Oh, I'm in Mexico, by the way. Stuck here because of the. Let's keep going, shall we?
我的妈妈定位了。
My mom made a reservation? How, what? Is it mother or mom? I'm gonna go with mom. I like mom. My mom made a reservation. Oh, pressure, 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 pressure. Yes! You will never see 89.76 yuan. And then, is it Yigong is the bottom left altogether? I'm gonna take that out and just say 89
块7毛6分.
You will never see 6分 in China. Is this right even? Yes. Okay, that's kind of a weird, bizarre structure. If you're studying Chinese on your own, don't just take one source. You probably want to have at least 2 sources. I recommend an online source plus an app, but you need a lot of exposure. Next one.
你在找什么？
In order to learn well-rounded Chinese, because not everything gets it right. You wish that app developers and book writers would have the perfect Chinese, right? Not so. 你找什么? What are you looking for?
我的妈妈想买一些东西。
他高吗?
Like maybe you're going on a blind date and you're asking your friend if he's tall. Oh, look, we're done. It's thinking, it's thinking, it's thinking, it's thinking. And checkpoint 3 unlocked. Sweet. Hey, if you're enjoying this, take a screenshot right now and tag me on Instagram. That you're supposed to take a screenshot right there. Tap or click the screen right there for the next level 4 unlock. If you want to keep going, tap or click the screen right there for another video from me at Elementary Chinese. And my name's Kuizhou, and I hope this has helped you. Good study. Day up.